This video will show you how to replace the deck belt on this Cub Cadet Zero Turn. Depending on your model, the instructions in this video may vary slightly. Always be sure to check your operator's manual for detailed instructions. Place your mower on a flat, level surface. Turn the engine off and make sure it is cool. Remove the ignition key. Disconnect the spark plug ignition wires. Engage the parking brake. Put the deck lift pedal in its lowest position and replace the lock in front of the pedal. Loosen the jam nuts on the U-rod to loosen the tension on the belt. Using a 1/2-inch drive, release the tension from the idler pulley and remove the PTO belt from the engine pulley. Remove the cotter pins from lift adjustment brackets and remove the brackets. Slide the deck forward to release the front lift rod, and then slide the cutting deck to the right and out from under the mower. Loosen the spindle pulley belt covers and remove the belt from the spindle pulleys. Loosen the belt keepers. Remove the deck belt. Reassemble by following the previous directions in reverse order. Attach the belt keepers. Slide the deck belt back under the mower. Attach the front lift rod. Using the cotter pins, attach the lift adjustment brackets. Route the deck belt around the idler pulley. Tighten the jam nuts on the U-rod. And connect the spark plug ignition wires.